Choose the correct answer from the following. The light-independent reaction, that means dark reaction, in the chloroplast takes place in the. Let's speak about the light-independent reaction. The light-independent reaction, it is a dark reaction. Where the dark reaction found? That's the question. What are the light-independent reaction? They are a reaction found in the chloroplast in one of the places of the chloroplast, and they result for many substances is very important for the plant. Let's see the choices, then we speak about it. There are 4 choices. The first one is grana. Grana is the green parts inside the discs, inside the chloroplast and in the leaves. Thylakoid, it is the membrane which surrounds the chloroplast. Stroma, and stroma here is the colorless part in the chloroplast. Double membrane that surround the chloroplast. The answer must be stroma. It is the colorless part which contain many enzymes that depend on it to the light-independent reaction or to the dark reaction inside the chloroplast. The second question is, choose the correct answer again. The essential factors that the scientist Van Helmont conclude in his experiment on the growth of the willow tree was. Let's see the choices. There are 4 choices. The first one is soil, carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. The soil, it's the source of water and the mineral salts. Carbon dioxide are from the atmosphere, the surrounding, and has another source for photosynthesis process which can consumed by the presence of photosynthesis. C is water. They are come from the soil and collected by the root of the plant. Sunlight, the sunlight is collected by the chloroplast found in the leaves or the green parts in herbaceous leaves or stem. So the answer must be water. Water which found or collected by the root of the plant. And let's go to the third question. The third question speak about the photosynthesis again, represent process X. that هو هنا رامز للفوتوسينثيز بالعملية أو عملية الفوتوسينثيز بالرمز X, while the cellular respiration represent by Y. يبقى أنا عندي الفوتوسينثيز X والcellular respiration Y. دول العمليتين اللي opposite to each other. Which of the following correct to describe X and Y? Let's read the choices and see what we do. The first choices is X catabolism, Y anabolism. What are the anabolism? What are the catabolism? Catabolism, it is the process done inside the living organism which produce energy. The large molecules are breaking down to produce energy. Anabolism is to make or to build by the small molecules to build a large molecule inside the body of the living organism. So, photosynthesis is a process which produces a large molecule. It helps to convert the carbon dioxide and water as a small molecules to a large molecule as glucose sugar, C6H12O6. So, the first one, it must be wrong. The second one is wrong. And the third one, it is the right answer, because anabolism is a change of small molecules to large molecule, and catabolism is cellular respiration, which change the large molecule of glucose to a small molecules as carbon dioxide and water vapor. Let's go to the third one, the fourth question. What are the byproducts? Byproduct means the product which resulted from this process and has an important for the living organism and the other living organism, not for the plant only. Let's read the question and then answer. The byproduct of process of photosynthesis. The byproduct of photosynthesis. What are the product of photosynthesis? Let's read the question and then we speak about it. Necessary for the life of the most living organism. Byproduct, it's not a food, but it's a gas. The byproduct here, equation of photosynthesis, it is help of carbon dioxide and water change to glucose and the byproduct. What are the byproduct? Let's see the answers. Water, no, it is reactant one. Glucose, yes, it's a product, but not a byproduct. Carbon dioxide, no, the photosynthesis doesn't produce carbon dioxide, so the answer must be oxygen. Oxygen is a byproduct which is help the life of the all living organism here. We still choose the first stage of cellular respiration, the first stage, which occur in the cytoplasm and produces 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. Cellular respiration has many steps and has two stages and many steps. The first one is the breaking down in glucose. The glucose molecules is breaking down into 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. This process is known as glycolysis. It's done at the cytoplasm of the cell. Here the answer must be Krebs cycle, electron transport chain, glycolysis, fermentation. I guess I answered it before. So the answer is glycolysis.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.